HVAC people! Alright folks, so on this next call right here we got a drain line maybe stopped up. He says leaking water, overflowing. So we're gonna get in here and see what we can find. And when I say it's hot, ooh-wee, warm out here today. But let me see if I can get some footage for you.
Maybe some way to clean the hose that goes from the furnace down in that ties in.
Yeah.
But okay. So we got the actual plumbing pipes cleaned out, so we're at least good there. But
okay.
So I think we fixed the main part of the problem.
Okay, but do you want me to still get up under there and use my vacuum and flush it out like we normally do? Or you think you got it good and clean right up under there?
Go ahead and do it. Okay. It's probably worth doing.
Yeah.
Okay. But other than that, we just put new filters in this. Okay. And there should be one that's in the garage that goes in there.
Okay.
So we cleaned it out. So.
Yeah, that'll work right there.
Yeah, so I think every couple of months start pouring some stuff down.
Yeah, you can either pour some vinegar down there or so we'll take this off here. All right, so it's clear now. He said he already unstopped it, but I got a towel. I got a towel up there blocking off that T. Let's see if I can hit it one more time for him. I got my handy dandy tool. I like to fill it up with water and make sure it's not leaking. Alright. So I'm getting ready to check the condenser unit. I do got my model number. my air handler, model, serial number, age of the unit. It's 2017, so it's 0 to 5 years. Refrigerant type, let's get the tonnage. That's a 4.2, so that'll be a 3.5 ton unit. 3.5. Filter condition is good. I have to go back and get the filter size. The drain line is clean and clear. Does HVAC unit have a flow switch? Yes. Coil conditions is good. Air temp, I'll check that later. Voltage and amperes, I'm getting ready to check that now. Refrigerant pressure and overall condition. Alright. So if you want to give your customer a PDF form, I highly recommend you sign up with Jobber. The link will be in the description below. Get a 2-week free trial. So right now, I'm entering the model number. So we got a CA. Sorry about that glare, y'all. That sun ain't playing today. We got a heat index of 105. 6 Nancy 042 00 GB ABA serial number CA. Alright, so we got our serial number in there. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to check everything. We got a tighten capacitor, so that should be good. I actually think I put that capacitor in there last year. I think. I have to check my notes, but I see that little bulb sticking out. Alright folks, so before we start checking this electrical power, we're going to check voltage. Go from leg to leg. And we should be good to go. So I'm going to check the coil on my contactor. So I'm going to ohm it out. So I got about 19.2. That coil is good. I got the furnace off, so I could go ahead and reset if I want to now. Just ain't want to turn on. Alright. So now we're gonna check this capacitor. If I did change this out last year, if it's bad, we gotta put a new one on there. Should still be on the warranty. But it wasn't complaining about any cooling. Check it out. So I got microfarads. So my fan, I got 5. And on my compressor, at 44.5, 44.5. See what size it is. So it's a 45 by 5, 45 by 5. So that cap is still good. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the furnace back on so it'll be calling for cool, but I'm gonna leave it off because I'm going to, I got the disconnect off, clean the coil up. All right. Can't hardly tell from the outside, but that coil nice and dirty. A lot of dirt coming from out of there, folks. Get it right though. I like to take my time though when I'm cleaning these coils. I don't like to be in a hurry. Good coil cleaning means a lot, go a long way. So we're gonna get us some refrigerant pressures, documented. Get out of here, on to the next. Got a freaking drain pan to replace. I don't know if I want to wait and do it tomorrow or go ahead and do it this evening. I wanted to do it first thing in the morning, but I had it kind of cool. So I don't know if I'm going to have to do any soldering, or can I just lift it up, slide it on in there. Pressure looking good. 133 over 390. 134 over 390. Like I say, we got a heat index about 105 today. So it's a scorcher. Check the subcooler. Subcooling about right on time for me. What's the target subcooling? Probably 10. Or 9 degree subcooling. If anything, might be a tad bit overcharged. Alright, so I'm gonna let that run for a minute. That coil's still wet. It might be dry now though. Been running probably about maybe 5 minutes. It might be dried up. It was 134, 392. 17 degree subcooling. So I'm just gonna document the refrigerant pressure. That's all we're doing today. So I got 133 PSI, 404 PSI. I wonder how that air pressure get when that's why sometimes I like to check my pressure before I clean it. Alright folks, so we got that one wrapped up. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. We on to the next one.